Hey guys, welcome to IT Content channel. In this video, we're going to look at data recovery using Recuva. It's another tool that you can use to recover all the files that you've accidentally deleted or accidentally formatted your hard drive. So the first thing that you want to do is navigate to your browser of your choice. Then you can click the link in the description to download the tool, which is complete for free, which is Recuva. You just want to get a free version because the free version will do everything we need it to do. So here you just want to click download. So once you click download, it should take you here where you can click this download for the free version. So we do not need these other additional features for now. Then you should see it download. As you can see, mine should start downloading from here. So once it downloads, you just want to install it the way you install any other program, because it's as easy as pressing next, next, next. Then once you install it, you just want to click open it, of which you can just type in Recuva like that. Then I can easily open Recuva. So once this dialog opens, you just want to click next. So from here, we need to choose which files we want to recover. So for example, if I want all the files, I can leave it on all. If I only want pictures, I can do for pictures like that. So we want all of the files, then we can click next. Then from here, we need to specify a location. So meaning if you have it in a certain drive, you would want to click this which says in a specific location, or if you only want to recover something which was in the recycle bin, you can also do that from here, or my documents or a media card. So for me, I'm going to do it in a specific drive. So we can go here where it says in a specific drive. So here you need to select the drive where you want to recover the files from. So for example, I have got a USB stick here with 3 files, as you can see. So I'm going to highlight them and delete them from here. Permanently delete, yes. So this is a drive which is test. So I can easily now close this. Then from here, we just want to go browse. Then we can go this PC. Then I want to just make sure I select test and click OK. So I want to recover from this. Then I can go next. So here you can either enable deep scan if you know you've got a lot of files that you need to recover. Since for me, this is just small files, I'll just skip the deep scan and click start. So from here, as you can see, it has detected the files we did delete. So from here now, what we can do is we can select all of them like that. Then we can just say recover. So from here now, it's asking where do we need to recover them? Like where do you want to put them? So from here, I'm just going to go here, pictures. Then in pictures, I'll just create a new folder of which I'm going to say test. Okay, then I'll just press enter, then I'll select test and click OK. So as you can see, to talk about the payments and stuff, this you just want to close. It has nothing to do with what you're doing. So once that happens, you just want to close this. So now if we open up our file explorer like this, we can go in pictures, then we should find a test folder of which we'll find all the files. As you can see, these are working files. As you can see, these are all working. So it's nothing like the files won't work. So if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. See you in the next video.